Hello everyone, welcome to the session of teamwork. Today we are going to discuss about teamwork. When we talk of teamwork, we generally mean different things. For some, a team is a group of people for shared purpose. For others, a team must also have a deadline. For others, a team must also embody some degree of cooperative working. As you can see, this is the framework of our today's session. We are going to have a discussion about what is teamwork. Why one organization need that teamwork? What are the importance of teamwork? The proper framework is read the sequences from this slide. Firstly, teamwork. What is the definition? Why have teams? What are the characteristics? What are the ways to achieve the teamwork? What are the teamwork skills? Give an example. As we discussed earlier, that teamwork have different meanings with different understandings in different situations. So teamwork is the process of working collaboratively with a group of people in order to achieve a goal. It is often a crucial part of a business as it is often necessary for colleagues to work well together, trying their best in any circumstance. It means that people will try to cooperate using their individual skills and providing constructive feedback despite any personal conflict between individuals. Now, before moving forward, we should be aware of kinds of tasks that are usually performed in every organization. The individual task. These can be completed by single individuals without help, which is called solo work. Solo work is an important aspect of organizational team behavior. Sometimes it is the best way to get things done. The group task. These tasks require multiple team members to do the same activity concurrently, which is called crowd work. Crowd work has a place in organizational teams such as team review meetings, brainstorming, and team social gatherings. Partitioned task. This is where a task is split into two or more subtasks that can be organized sequentially, which is called group work. It lends itself particularly well to asynchronous communication methods such as email and shared document areas. Team task. It requires multiple individuals to perform different tasks concurrently. Different individuals must do different things at the same time. There is both division of labor and concurrency. This is real teamwork and requires the most complex coordination between team players. Now an important question arises here, that why we have teams. Why be a part of a team? So here are the few essentials which give the answer of the same. Timing is essential. Society and technology are complex. Requires interdisciplinary knowledge. Shared responsibility. Advantages in diversity. One vision and many hands. For developing the team must go through with the simple process. That process consists of 5 different stages, that is, forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning. Forming means, nice to meet you, not sure why we are here. It looks like a lot of work. Leader encourages equitable participation, begin focus on project. Storming. Do I have to work with this team? Leader helps team to focus on strengths, not weaknesses, in working forward the task at hand. Norming. Maybe we will be able to put this all together if we stop fighting and listen to each other. Collective decision to behave professionally and agree to norms. Leader and others may have to facilitate towards group accountability. Performing. We have got a great plan and everyone is pulling together. True teamwork and cooperation. Members individually committed, multiple leaders. Adjourning. Goal accomplished, project over. As the team matures, members gradually learn to cope with each other and the pressures that they face. As a result, the team goes through the fairly predictable stages noted on this slide. Now, a good teamwork should have few characteristics, and these are: common identity, common objectives, willing participation, shared responsibility. Members enjoy being in the team. Open discussion of disagreements and conflicts. Clarity of roles and relationships. Contributions valued. There are many ways to achieve a good teamwork. A good team can be achieved through reflection with an awful lot of talking, through goodwill, patience, and honorable conduct, and by thinking how we contribute in a different and essential ways to the working of the team. There are few various skills which are essential for any particular organization. Let us discuss the same. Listening. It is important to listen to other people's ideas. Discussing. It is important to discuss your ideas with your teammates until you agree. Questioning. It is important to ask questions, interact, and discuss the objectives of the team. Persuading. Individuals are encouraged to exchange, defend, and then to ultimately rethink their ideas. Respecting. It is important to treat others with respect and to support their ideas. Helping. It is crucial to help one's co-workers, which is the general theme of teamwork. Sharing. It is important to share with the team to create an environment of teamwork. Participating. All members of the team are encouraged to participate in the team. Communication. For a team to work effectively, it is essential team members acquire communication skills and use effective communication channels between one another. Make teamwork work for you. When we make a team, then it becomes necessary for us to make teamwork work for us, and this could be only possible when we keep the common goal in mind, when we participate, when we don't forget to have fun, when we are open-minded, when we are clear about our role, when we don't dominate, when we support the leader. Let's have a look at an example of teamwork to understand it more clearly. Migrating birds use this quadrant formation because it allows them to glide more often, conserving energy. The heart rates of the birds were lower when flying in a V-man than flying solo. The aerodynamic V shape reduces the air resistance, allowing the geese to cover longer distances. In fact, a flock of geese can fly 70% farther by adopting the V shape rather than flying in isolation. The V formation may offer other benefits as well. Each bird has an unobstructed field of vision, allowing flock members to see each other and communicate while in flight. The goose at the head of the V is not necessarily the leader of the flock. Apparently, geese take turns leading. As one bird tires, it drops to the back of the formation and another takes its place. Now that's what we call teamwork. Moral of this story: let's keep in mind that the development of an effective team requires a positive attitude and commitment towards the teamwork, coupled with an understanding of what teamwork involves. Secondly, it requires practicing teamwork skills. This presentation of ideas has attempted to promote the former. It is up to us to pursue the latter. This presentation of ideas has attempted to promote the former. It is up to us to pursue the latter. Hope you get a good knowledge from this session and you get the clear idea about teamwork. So moral of the session is this. Thanks, listeners.